Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If 15 buses can carry 780 passengers, then how many passengers can be carried by 34 buses? So it is given that 15 buses can carry 780 passengers. So by unitary method, we can find out one bus can carry how many passengers, which is equal to 780 divided by 15 passengers. Again we will use unitary method and we will find that 34 buses can carry how many passengers, which is equal to 34 multiplied by the passengers in one bus, which is 780 by 15 passengers. Now if we simplify this, we'll get 1768 passengers. So this is our answer here, 1768 passengers.